Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sun Communications. I'm McKenna and today we are unboxing a brand new keyboard and mouse set that is wired and washable from Kensington. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're new here. We post new unboxings and tech reviews all the time. So let's start with the keyboard here. Ooh, okay. The letters are etched on this, which I really like. So that way, if you have any fading over time, especially with the washable aspect of it, you don't have to worry about your keys fading. So you have your keyboard and then a protector for the cord. Your plug-in. Oh, it has an adapter on it. That's really nice. So you can do USB if you want as well. Next up, we have our mouse, which is also washable. It matches, it has the same aesthetic, also USB, super straightforward. Once again, at the very bottom, you have warranty information, probably the quickest unboxing ever, but let's talk about why these two devices are so exciting. So the keyboard is going to be full size, which is a 6-row 104 key layout with a numeric keypad on the right side. It's really durable, optimized for everyday work, including heavy duty cleaning. One thing they do clearly state though is do not submerge the USB parts into the water. So just make sure to keep those dry when you're wiping it down or cleaning it. Since it's a wired USB connection though, that means you don't have to worry about batteries or charging. And since it's plug and play, there's no software. So all you have to do is plug it straight into your device and you're set. Moving on to the mouse, it is ambidextrous, so it's great for right and left hand users. It has a 3-button scroll wheel layout, so once again, really familiar and easy to use out of the box. The big key with this though is the washable waterproof design. The mouse carries an IP67 rating and the keyboard has an IPX6 rating. So obviously this is great for offices if you want to be able to wipe things down often, but think for education. I mean, it's schools during flu season when you can be wiping down all of the electronics. Also in healthcare, you need to constantly be sanitizing. So both of these devices are going to be able to stand up to that. Overall, if you're considering a new keyboard and mouse, I mean, it seems like a no-brainer to get something that's going to be durable and stand up to obviously everyday wear, but also cleaning. So I love this combo. I also do like the white. It's nice and crisp and clean. We also ran it underwater for the reel that we made, so I'll make sure to link that below if you want to watch it, and also up above. If you're new here, once again, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time when we put more tech to the test. Bye!